Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.2, Problem 25. This is Section 3.2, Problem 25. It says round 24.238 to the nearest tenth. So first, let's determine which digit is in the 10th position. So if you start at the decimal and go over 1 to the right, the first one is tenths. It goes tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So tenth would be the 2. Now, the next digit over to the right, if we look, is not big enough to make it a 24.3. If the digit to the right is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, which is the case here, 3, we would just chop off the digits after the rounding position, which is what we're going to do. Now, if on the other hand, the digit to the right of the rounding position were 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, 5 or more, then you would round this to a 24.3 and eliminate the other digits that come after. But it's not big enough. So the answer for this problem is rounded to the nearest tenth. It would be 24.2.